health educators. I came from a trip, 3-4 days trip, to find a big mess in my kitchen. So that I absolutely love and enjoyed after I found out what they've been all about. Now, talking to Karen and to Amy and find out what's their dream, which is, you're gonna hear a lot about it. They're about to open a retreat center. So I asked her, I said, well, what's all this about? So we're teaching kids. And like I said, for 4 days, this is for the first time for me traveling. I have not heard any text messages from my kids, so I knew they were busy. I was hoping for something fun, so so here Nabila made me this smoothie, Miral made another one, and the little one they're playing and learning some food. So this is the best thing I have tried from my kids, and I was actually surprised because I did not know that they will be able to make that. So please tell us, Karen, what got this idea for you, and tell us a little bit more about.
Well, nutrition is amazing, right? And so I've raised a lot of children, and we've raised them around wonderful food, and they'd always bring their friends home. So Amy even would call me at 10:30 at night going, Mom, I'm bringing 20 people, not kidding, over in about an hour. Is that cool? And I'm like, sure. It was after a big play, and I was able to whip up a ton of food, and the kids love it. Children love healthy food, and the adults love healthy food. They just don't know how to make it. And so I started just teaching children and adults, and it's been amazing because this is the health of your body right here. All of the cells in the body, they grow and they produce based on the nutrients inside of the cell. So the more nutrients we eat, the better we feel.
Yeah, I've heard so many people tell me that they just wish they knew how to cook better. They're like, I wish I felt comfortable in my kitchen to just whip something up. They're like, eating out all the time is expensive. I don't know what all the ingredients that these restaurants are using, don't know what the oils they're using are, and it still takes a while to wait for food to come. They're like, I just wish I was more comfortable in my kitchen so I could just make healthy, fast, easy meals for my family or for myself. And that's what we love showing people how to do, is like, it is easy and it is fun. And if you can get your kids involved, that's a skill set that they will have for the rest of their life when they move out and go to college or when they start their own family. And not only that, but they get this a healthy emotional relationship with food where like you learn to love your food. And they've even done studies where if you have a positive emotional relationship with the food that you make, you actually digest it better. So it's been really fun.
To get the kids involved. And we learned so much from the source again, and it just I'm so glad to have you doing that. And we will talk about the retreat center. I would love to hear more about that.
Awesome. And I just want to point out Sam. Like Sam's kids, I'm not kidding, so 7th grade, 6th grade, and kindergartner, all using knives, all using the stovetop, using the oven, all juicing, your kindergartner loves the blender. Like she's like, can I blend? Can I make a smoothie? Can I make this? Right?
I helped Miss Karen make this strawberry and watermelon smoothie.
And what else did you put in there?
I got leaves in there and strawberry.
Leaves. Mint leaves.
Mint leaves and strawberries and some watermelon. So
Yay!
it's watermelon.
And Nabila was just all over making from the pizzas to the juicing. Woke up this morning to be, okay, what can I make next? What are we gonna make next?
Hi, my name is Nabila, and this juice is amazing. You guys have to try this. It's a carrot cake juice. Basically what's in there is this spice.
Miral made a beautiful organic, it's an oatmeal bake in the morning, and everyone it was just gone within minutes. It's just neat because they're so excited to make the food
in the pool, actually.
Or in the pool, Breakfast in the pool. Not bad, knife fight, not bad.
I would say, like adults, we always underestimate how much kids can actually do in the kitchen. From washing vegetables to helping chop things to stirring things on the stove. I've been a nanny for 6 families, and kids love getting involved in the kitchen, and they're way more likely to eat vegetables if they participate in preparing it. So that's what we love doing, is teaching families how to cook together. So
a family that cooks together.
Nanny, I mean, you were the nanny for my kids when they were 1 year old.
Yeah. I love them.
That's right.
These are the brownies that we made. They taste so good, and my favorite part is the chocolate because I love chocolate and the walnuts.
We all made it together, so it's like a teamwork on chocolate brownies for today. If you want some, Dad, you should come here and try them because it's so delicious.
I normally don't
Come and
like
get them when
chocolate, but I normally don't like chocolate like at all, chocolate cake or nothing. But this is like the best chocolate I've ever tasted.
You missed the best, worldest brownies sisters made in the whole entire world.
Ta-da!
Okay, so now, after 3 days of playing and having fun with the kitchen, tell us about the dream for the retreat center.
So what we're looking at building is a retreat center where people can come with their team as an organization or with their families, or they can bring their clientele, whoever they want to bring, and come and stay at our retreat center, and we will teach them farm to table cooking. We will use fresh vegetables, fresh foods, locally sourced products, and teach them how do you cook in your kitchen to make simple and fast and fun and nutritious meals together. So whether people can stay for 2 nights or stay for a whole week or longer, they're going to be welcome here, and we can come together and cook together and also participate in other wellness activities at the center.
Just to be clear, you said welcome here at your retreat center.
Oh,
not
at the retreat center. We're not inviting
Or
everyone
Sam's
to
house.
Sam's house.
His wife is amazing.
We do have limited capacity at Sam's house, but we will bring them to the retreat center. Yeah.
Well, and I wanted to mention too, like, we're so excited because when you're implementing these things, you see long-term changes.
Yeah.
And one of my favorite things was we had our wellness center right next to our home. And so when I was in a consultation with someone who maybe had diabetes, or someone who was smoking, or someone who had cancer, I'd be like, come on over. Or the children, if the children had allergies, I'd be like, come on over to the home. And I would make smoothies and I would make food for them, you know, and share adrenal tea or whatever it was. And they were like, oh my gosh, I could do this. And I'm like, so I think sometimes you have to see it.
So let me
to
say
believe it.
something for everybody who's listening on this video. Why I'm very passionate about this, Karen, and I think maybe we didn't get to share that. For me, because for the last 23 years of my life, I mean, working with Dr. Haver and learning with everything that we've been doing, it's all about the root causes of illness. Root causes. I remember when we were having 65% of our patients were cancer patient. We started, yes, we did all the clinical things, but without having healthy food, and start working with them with help them, teach them what to eat.
Yeah.
So that's where the rental houses came into place for most of the clinics, because we could not put them in a hotel. We want to have a place for them that they can cook and pick the right and the healthy food, because that's part of the treatment. And I love the idea, because again, not just helping families, changing their habit, and hopefully not get to the point to have cancer, because again, start with the food. So this is a great cause. I am supportive 100% of what you're doing, and I love the idea because it's helping getting rid of the root causes of the illness. So that's one of the major reason what we put in our mouth, I believe. What do you think, Nabila?
Nice idea. It's really nice.
From the last 2 days, from what you learned, tell me, what was the best thing that your favorite from what you learned?
It's kind of hard because I liked everything. I've learned to be more healthy, actually, and you can get anything from the grocery store and basically turn it into anything you want. That's basically what I learned from Karen. My favorite thing that I probably made is like homemade guacamole and the tacos, more healthy, and the smoothies as well. And the apple juice, for example, was also one of my favorite things.
Okay, so now tell us, what is your next step to start this retreat center?
We're here. We're in Georgia. We're looking in Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, right? But we're pretty sure we're going to be right here in Georgia. Getting land and fundraising, and we're so excited. This is going to be a very exciting time. Amy, take it away.
So the first step is securing the location, the property. So we're looking at different properties and facilities right now. And then secondly, we're gathering up donors and people who share the same mission with us, who want to come together and invest in this project together with us. Obviously, the more funding we have, the better we can make the entire operation. So that's what our step right now is, finding people who have this shared vision and this shared passion. There's a lot of people who are looking to donate to cancer research institutes and a bunch of, donate to some of these, causes where they're just looking for more pharmaceutical solutions. And where we actually believe we need more funding is teaching families how to cook from home. So that's what we're doing right now, is gathering up those people to come together and make this vision a reality.
So I'm 100% supportive, and I hope everybody's listening to this video also will start donating to this center so we can get it going, and hopefully we will have it for our goal, our mission, we will secure the land before the end of the year, hopefully.
Yes.
And, you know, we are having a couple of meetings right now, so we're counting on you with the support and the help.
It's a community center.
This is a community center in your community.
Thank you.
Ladies, what are we eating?
Tortillas.
Tacos. Yep, taco tortillas. And who made everything here?
I
Right.
made the yummy, delicious guacamole you'll ever
Look
have in
at
your life.
that. And what do we got over there?
I made the salsa, chopped
Look
tomatoes,
at that.
onions, garlic, and I also made the chocolate
Topping
frosting
for the brownies, which are in the oven.
and the vegetables.
Don't let the metal stay in there. It'll get hot. And we've got fajita vegetables. Oh yeah, look at this.
So far.
Yummy, ladies. Oh yeah, bring it down.